This video demonstrates how you apply user-friendly URLs. Now, an example of a user-friendly URL. Here is a project page. The project's called Evita, and you'll notice here that the actual page file name bears the same name with the extension .aspx. Now, you need to apply that to the particular item of content in the CMS. If you don't, what you get is a typically unfriendly URL, and you'll see one here that's been not formatted or not made search engine user friendly. It generates a string which has to be edited in the CMS. So that's what we're going to show you now. So for this particular item of content, this is the EFFMIS project, and you'll notice at the moment it's got this string on rather than a nice friendly URL. So I'm going to log into the CMS and navigate through to Applied Research where the projects are. That's the projects section. Click down to find the project that we want. It's this EFFMIS project. So I click on that, and it's here in optional fields that we need to apply that user-friendly URL name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the actual same page title and cut and paste that down onto the friendly URL. So once that's in, I update, and now if I go to the public page and I refresh, well, navigate away from the page or refresh it and then go back to it, you'll see that that string now has been replaced by the actual project name with the extension .aspx. So very important as you're creating items of content. For each item of content, say for example here is another one, the MODES project, you'll notice because it hasn't been formatted in that optional area, you have here the string that's naturally produced, and it's this that you need to change through the CMS, applying the friendly URL which is in the optional fields section of the CMS. Go back to it just to point that out in the optional fields, and here it is. You don't need to apply this path. All you need to actually add in is the page title, which is here. And when you've done that, you need to update, and when it's been written to the database, you'll see if you go back through to edit that it's applied, the system will apply the path and the .aspx. This is the portion you need to